this is his favorite spot. Every time I come in to visit with him, he'll eat a little something and then he climbs up on my lap. This is Lenny. Right, Lenny? We have a very handsome man. I estimate his age at about 15. He's very skinny, but we're working on that. He's FIV, FELV negative, so that's good. But not quite sure why he's so skinny. He did belong to somebody once upon a time because he's already been fixed. Time to get up, Lenny? Yep, he's going to eat some more. He's got a good appetite, so that's a good thing.